Hello everyone. This is an important safety message. During heavy rain, floods or cyclones, please do not take risks. Stay indoors and avoid going out unless it is an emergency. Never walk in flood water. It may carry infections or electric current. Stay away from electric poles and broken wires.
People in hilly areas must stay alert for landslides. People near the seashore should move to safe shelters during cyclone warnings.
Keep drinking water, food, a torch, and medicines ready. Listen only to government safety announcements. Do not believe rumors. Stay prepared. Stay safe. Bye, friends.